Coming up on today's Down Under Quickie, let's have a look at the wipers and how to service them. Welcome back to another Down Under Quickie where we're going to have a look at the humble wiper and more specifically how you can clean properly with those pesky wipers that don't seem to come all the way up. Let's get into it. Okay, so you'll notice that with the Atto, like nearly all EVs, that the wipers are sort of recessed a bit lower and they're sort of underneath this bonnet part here. And if you try to lift them, unlike on a, traditional ICE car, you can't sort of lift it any more than that. So which makes it difficult to clean underneath the wipers, and obviously if you want to change the wiper blades too, that can be difficult as well. So you can see both wipers are like it, and of course you risk damaging the paint along here. Now there's a reason why they do that for EVs, and it's all to do with aerodynamics, because you want the airflow to come up here over the bonnet and to go nice and smooth over the car. So it's just simply done for aerodynamics and basically to stop any turbulence for the wind, which of course increases drag then on the car, and then you get worse economy. So they've designed it so that the air flows smoothly, and by having the wipers here recessed, that helps. So that's why the wipers are how they are. So what's an easy way then if you want to clean this? Well, there's something called wiper service position. You may have seen it in the menu, and I'll show you what it does. So let's go into the car. Now the car has to be on when you do this, and that's simply because you need to go into the menu, and I'll show you where you have to go. So you go into the vehicle here, and you actually go into vehicle health. Alright, and in the middle here you can see there's something called overhaul. And then you can see wiper in service position. Now when you press that, you can see the wipers go up to this position here. And you can see you can easily clean around, and to make it even super easy, you can actually get the wiper arm like that and pull it away. So you can totally clean the windscreen unhindered if you want to. It's easier to clean, and also if you wanted to change the wiper blades, you could do that. Or if you're like me and super lazy, just go to Super Cheap Auto and pay someone else to do it. So if you live in Australia, Super Cheap will do it for you for free, and I'm sure there's other places who'll come out and do it for you as well if you're lazy like me. Well, anyway, here's the easy way to change the blades as well. And then when you're done, you just simply bend the arms back and then go back into the car. Press that button here, and then the wipers will go back. Very quickly, the rear wiper, so they've put a wiper on the rear here because it's probably not going to affect economy too bad. I don't know why they don't have it on more EVs, but trying to get the ECAT as much economy as they can. But this is just simply one where you can just move the arm up to change the blade if you want to, or to clean the rear windscreen. That is the wipers on the Atto 3. There you have it. That's the wiper service position and how you can use it. That's your quickie for today. I hope it was good for you too. Alright, take care as always, and we'll see you very soon with more on Down Under EV Adventures. Bye for now.